Hey guys, Lindsay Duff here, the founder here at Responsible Day Trading, and I also have Angelina here with me, who is our enrollment coach. So we wanted to come here today to make a special announcement for you. I told y'all yesterday it was coming, and we're here today for it. And Angelina's going to make most of this announcement, but we had spent a little time recently in Tahiti, and we sat down and thought of a lot of great ideas for the things that we want to do for the future, and we were laying out some plans of stuff that we're going to have very, very soon. I'm going to let Angelina take over from here and talk to you a little bit about the fact that we are going to have our first annual in-person seminar. Now, just so you know, Angelina and I have been working together in this business for about the last 10 years, on and off in different companies. So some of you may already be a little familiar with her and seen her and met her before. So I'm just going to let her introduce herself, and she's going to talk about what we have coming up.
Hey everybody, so I'm Angelina. I am the enrollment coach here at Responsible Day Trading. My job here is to guide future students and new students through our different programs, different resources, and help you guys figure out which program is right for you. We're very excited. Our first annual live seminar is going to be here in Houston, Texas, April 28th through the 30th. That's a Friday through Sunday, and we are very, very excited. Because of COVID, we haven't been able to launch this particular resource that RDT offers. So this will be the very first one, and it's gonna be super awesome. Now, it'll be 2 seminars happening at the same time. One's gonna be for our current students, both for coaching and for startup students that have already gone through the curriculum. It will be in-depth seminars about the psychology of trading. It will be in-person one-on-ones with your mentors, with your personal coaches like Lindsay. We'll have guest speakers. We'll also be reviewing how to do your taxes to make sure that you are keeping the most of those profits that you're making on the market. Now, alongside this coaching seminar, we will be offering live classes for new students. It will be in-depth, in-person walkthrough of our curriculum that teaches you the RDT day trading strategy. So these are for people that have never joined our program before. Maybe you're new to trading. Maybe you've been a little bit scared because the idea of learning via online may seem a little intimidating. This is a perfect time for you to take that dive, jumpstart your trading career. And again, you'll be meeting all of us in person. It'll be classroom style, going through the textbook. It's a really awesome opportunity, both for our current students and for new students.
All right, so who is this seminar really geared towards?
So, it's actually geared for everybody. If you have ever had an interest in trading, this is a perfect opportunity for you to get your feet wet. Now, if you're a new student, you'll be getting our entire startup program, which is our curriculum, which I like to call our textbook, access to the vault, which is our library of videos. But on top of that, you will get the 3-day classroom power course where we'll be able to answer any questions that you might have in a classroom setting that you wouldn't be able to do otherwise.
Yeah, we're going to have 2 coaches in there working with our startup students, teaching you everything from the very beginning to the end of the course. Even if you need to know how to set up NinjaTrader, we're going to go through all that together. And then once we get to the coaching seminar, that's going to be for students who have already gone through the curriculum and really want to have some in-depth thought processes on what we're seeing and working together with another group. So being with a group also can really help to spark new ideas, create new friendships that you may be able to work with side by side later on through the time, sharing trades and showing that you're not alone in this kind of thing. We're also going to have a crossover between the 2 because we will be talking about taxes together. We are going to have the psychological side of things. So we are not going to be completely separate from everybody. And we'll be able to meet during meals and things like that together. So we're planning on spending 3 full days together while we're all out there learning and really focusing on becoming the best trader that you can be.
So one of the hardest things about trading is that sometimes you feel really alone because it's an independent way to earn money. So this is a great way to create a community. As a school, we have a student body and we want you to interact with each other, rely on each other, speak with each other outside of this seminar. So like Lindsay said, you have a support group and you know that you're not alone.
Yeah.
This is a great opportunity to meet fellow traders that are in the same boat as you.
Yeah. And we'd love to meet you as well, because working with you one-on-one has been such a pleasure. It's really going to be nice to be able to sit down, talk to you, get to know you even more on a more intimate setting. Once again, we're going to be having this seminar end of April. So what are the exact dates again?
April 28th through the 30th.
April 28th through the 30th. We're going to have a little bit of a get together the night before. So if anybody wants to come in on Thursday and have a little dinner and drinks with each other, then we can do that before we really dive in on Friday.
We will be sending out an email and posting on social media a link to our seminar page. So that will have the schedules for both the coaching and for the new student seminars. It will have who our guest speakers are, what meals are provided, and all the information that you need. But if you have any questions at all, please feel free to email at info@responsibledaytrading.com. I'm more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. For those of you out there that aren't sure if this is right for you, I would love to set up a time to chat with you, answer any questions, find out what fears you might have, what might be holding you back with your decision to become a day trader. And if you have any questions about our programs, about our resources, about any of us, I'm here for you. So
maybe to even talk to one of our students who has been through the course and see how it's been for them as well. So there's always some options if you want to reach out to us, if you're looking to join us in April in Houston.
I do want to encourage everybody to sign up as soon as possible because as we get closer to the date, April 28th through the 30th, ticket prices will go up. If you are a VIP student, you already have a ticket to the seminar.
Yeah.
All you have to do is let us know that you're coming and show up, and we will take care of all the rest.
We'll get you guys some information about some accommodations around the area if you are looking to come. And that's about it. So guys, we're looking forward to having you here as part of our seminar. We're super excited about this being our first annual seminar because we will be doing this more often. So what we'd like to do is just make sure and help you as much as possible. So we're looking forward to having you there, and we're looking forward to helping you get to the profitable side.
Bye.
Bye, guys.